Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting trucks of the year, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning STX. Ford has been leading the charge in the electric pickup space, and the STX trim strikes a perfect balance between affordability, practicality, and modern features. In this review, we'll cover the exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and finally wrap it all up with a conclusion. Let's get started. Exterior design. The 2026 F-150 Lightning STX stays true to the rugged character of the F-Series, while adding futuristic electric styling cues. Up front, you'll notice the signature full-width LED light bar that stretches across the grille, giving it a bold, high-tech look. The grille itself is closed off for improved aerodynamics since the truck doesn't need the airflow of a traditional engine. The STX trim rides on 18-inch machined aluminum wheels that balance durability and style. The overall body is muscular yet clean, with strong lines along the sides and a practical, durable bed in the rear. It's unmistakably an F-150, but with an electrified twist. Interior. Step inside, and the Lightning STX offers a comfortable and modern cabin designed for both work and leisure. The interior features durable cloth seating that's supportive and easy to clean, perfect for truck owners who use their vehicle for both job sites and family duties. A large 12-inch touchscreen sits at the center of the dash, running Ford's S1C4 infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There are plenty of storage compartments, including a lockable center console that doubles as a work surface. While it's not as luxurious as the higher trims, the STX provides a balanced mix of practicality, technology, and comfort. Performance. Performance is where the Lightning STX really stands out. Powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, it delivers around 462 horsepower and an impressive 775 pound-feet of torque. That means instant acceleration, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just under 5 seconds, remarkable for a full-size truck. The STX comes standard with the 98 kilowatt-hour battery, offering a range of approximately 240 miles, with an optional extended range battery pushing that closer to 300 miles. Towing capacity is strong, rated at up to 7,700 pounds, and payload comes in around 2,000 pounds. Whether it's hauling equipment or powering through city streets, the Lightning STX delivers. Safety features. Ford has equipped the 2026 Lightning STX with a full suite of safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability is available as an option, making highway driving more convenient. The high-strength steel frame and strategically placed crumple zones ensure durable and crash protection. Add to that Ford's Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and you've got a truck that's not only powerful but also safe and easy to maneuver. Unique selling points. What makes the Lightning STX unique is its versatility as both a workhorse and a tech-forward EV. The frunk, or front trunk, offers 14 cubic feet of secure, weatherproof storage, which is something traditional trucks can't match. It also comes with Ford's Pro Power onboard system, providing up to 2.4 kilowatts of power through built-in outlets, perfect for powering tools, tailgating, or emergency backup. Another standout feature is over-the-air updates, which keep the truck's software fresh and add new features over time. The STX trim makes electric truck ownership more attainable without sacrificing capability. Price. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning STX starts at around $55,000 before incentives. With federal and state EV tax credits, many buyers could see the effective cost drop significantly. Adding options like the extended range battery or additional tech packages can push the price into the low $60,000s. Compared to other electric trucks on the market, the Lightning STX delivers an appealing balance of price, performance, and practicality. To wrap things up, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning STX is a compelling choice for anyone looking to step into the future of pickup trucks without breaking the bank. It delivers strong performance, practical features, and the everyday usability that F-150 owners expect, all while embracing the benefits of electric power. Whether you're after a reliable work truck, a family hauler, or simply want to experience the future of driving, the Lightning STX proves that going electric doesn't mean compromising capability. Thanks for watching this review here on Driven Vision. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the latest vehicles. Until then, drive safe and stay inspired.